गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम बात करेंगे डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स। इन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर द मॉलिक्यूल्स हैव परमानेंट डाइपोल मोमेंट even in the absence of an applied field. In non-polar molecules do not have permanent dipole moment. In polar molecules, the polarization of polar molecules is highly temperature dependent, and in non-polar molecules, the polarization in this type of molecules is independent of temperature. Polar molecules, there is absorption emission in the infrared range for these molecules. Example of polar molecules are H2O, HCl and CO molecule. Non-polar molecules, there is no absorption of emission in infrared range for these molecules, and example of non-polar molecules are O2, N2 and H2. The displacement, electric displacement vector, polarization vector in terms of electric field strength E. The vectors D and vector P are separately connected to vector E. Then the definition of electric displacement vector D. The magnitude of D is given by D equal to Q upon A, multiplying and dividing of both sides by K epsilon naught. Then the value of D is K epsilon naught into Q upon K epsilon naught A, and the value of E equal to Q upon K epsilon naught A, and the value of D is K epsilon naught into vector E or epsilon E, where E upon epsilon naught equal to K. Hence the relation D equal to vector D equal to epsilon naught E into vector P. Put the value of D in this equation. D equal to हमारे पास है एप्सिलॉन इंटू ई. जब एप्सिलॉन इंटू ई यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा एप्सिलॉन ई इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट ई प्लस पी, एंड एप्सिलॉन इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट प्लस पी अपॉन एप्सिलॉन. Then the magnitude of P is given by in terms of E, and the value of P is known as electric polarization vector P, and the electric polarization vector is defined as the induced surface charge per unit area or surface density of bound charges in dielectric. Then the value of P equal to Q dash upon A, and the value of Q dash upon A is equal to sigma polarization. Then the induced charge Q dash due to polarization is given by Q dash equal to Q into 1 minus 1 upon K. Put the value of Q dash in this equation. Q dash की वैल्यू हो जाएगी यहाँ से हमारे पास कितनी PA. ठीक है, तो PA की वैल्यू हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा PA इक्वल टू Q 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन K और P इक्वल टू Q अपॉन A 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन K. Then by the definition of electric displacement vector D equal to Q upon A, then the vector P equal to vector D into 1 minus 1 upon K. तो वेक्टर डी जो हमारे पास है वो है हमारा के एप्सिलॉन नॉट ई, तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा के एप्सिलॉन नॉट ई 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन के, और पी इक्वल टू एप्सिलॉन नॉट के माइनस 1 इंटू ई, एंड दिस इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन पी एंड ई. फॉर वैक्यूम के इक्वल टू 1, then the polarization vector P is always 0. This is the retreatment of Gauss law or divergence of D. For the definition of electric displacement vector, D is K epsilon naught into vector E or epsilon E. Then the modified from the Gauss law in the presence of dielectric is surface integral vector D dot vector ds equal to Q, where vector D equal to epsilon naught K into E. then the flux of vector D out of a surface, then the surface is total free charge enclosed within surface S. Then the surface integral of the normal component of dielectric displacement vector D over any closed surface equal to the charge enclosed, where capital Q is the free charge and the polarization charge is not included. Then according to the Gauss divergence theorem, then the surface integral is converted into volume integral, then surface integral vector D dot vector ds equal to volume integral of divergence vector D into dV, and the total charge is defined as Q equal to volume integral of rho f into dV. Put the value of Q in this equation, then volume integral of divergence vector D into dV equal to volume integral of rho f into dV. If the volume integral of both sides are arbitrary, which means divergence D or del dot D equal to rho f, where rho f is the volume density of free charge Q, then the Gauss law are modified in such a way that the effect of polarization charge are automatically included. Variation of relation vector D equal to epsilon naught plus vector P. The variation of electric displacement vector D, electric field intensity vector E, and the polarization vector P along the axis between the plates of an air capacitor. The variation after a dielectric paraffin slab has been introduced in this figure. ये पैराफिन हमने क्या कर रखा है, ये पैराफिन इंक्लूड कर रखा है इस वाली फिगर में. For a given applied potential or battery is disconnected when the paraffin is introduced. For in air, the capacitor in a air capacitor, then the displacement vector is given by D equal to epsilon naught E plus P. For P equal to 0, there is no polarization, hence D equal to epsilon naught E, or E equal to vector D upon epsilon naught. In a paraffin capacitor, the relation is given by equation D equal to epsilon naught E plus P. The relation between vector D and vector E for the case is given by D equal to K epsilon naught into E or epsilon E. We know that E equal to K epsilon naught or epsilon equal to K epsilon naught, then the value of E is equal to D upon K epsilon naught. Then the polarization vector P is given by, for equation P equal to epsilon naught K minus 1 into E. Put the value of E, यहाँ से क्या करेंगे हम, इस E की वैल्यू यहाँ, इस E की वैल्यू को हम यहाँ पुट कर देंगे. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा हमारा वेक्टर P इक्वल टू एप्साइलन नॉट K एप्साइलन नॉट 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन K इंटू D अपॉन K एप्साइलन नॉट. तो हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, एप्साइलन नॉट से एप्साइलन नॉट कैंसिल और K से K कैंसिल, तो ये आ जाएगा P वेक्टर P इक्वल टू वेक्टर D इंटू 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन K, where K is a paraffin in is 2.1, hence the capacitor with paraffin increases by 2 upon 2.1 times, that is with paraffin dielectric the capacitor plates can stay 2.1 times charge for a given potential. Then the battery was disconnected before the paraffin was introduced. The charge on the plate is same as with air. Then the equation third, E equal to D upon K epsilon naught, and the value of K is equal to 2.1 and 1 upon 2.1 is 0.475, vector D upon epsilon naught. With air it is D upon vector D upon epsilon naught. For the relation of polarization vector P equal to vector D 1 minus 1 upon K, and the value of vector P is 0.525 vector D with air vector P equal to 0. And D is dielectric, then the value of D is P vector P plus epsilon naught E, and the vector P is 0.525 vector D, and the value of E is equal to 0.475 vector D, and the value of D, and D vector D with air, and the value of vector D equal to epsilon naught E, and this is equal to vector D. Another topic, electric susceptibility, and the electric susceptibility is defined as the polarization vector P is proportional to the total applied electric field intensity vector E and is in the same direction of E. Then the polarization vector can be written as P is always proportional to E and P equal to epsilon naught xi E into capital E, and xi E is the electric susceptibility. In case of linear dielectric, also called dielectric susceptibility, the magnitude of polarization is directly proportional to the intensity of the electric field at a given point of a dielectric. Then P is always proportional to E, or P vector P equal to epsilon naught xi ER into vector E, where xi ER is the dimensional parameter of dielectric called relative dielectric susceptibility. The total proportionality factor xi ER into xi E, this is xi E, has a dimensional parameter is known as the absolute susceptibility or dielectric susceptibility. Then xi ER equal to xi E upon epsilon naught. The polarization vector P is also related E by equation vector P equal to epsilon naught K minus 1 into vector E. Hence the comparison between equation first and equation third, then epsilon naught xi ER into vector E equal to epsilon naught K minus 1 into vector E. Vector E of both sides has cancelled out, then xi ER equal to K minus 1. Then the dielectric susceptibility is measure of a capability of a dielectric to take polarization by equation 4. then K इक्वल टू 1 प्लस एक्स ई आर. यहाँ इस इक्वेशन नंबर 4 से जो हमारा K जो हमारा डायलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट है उसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी 1 प्लस एक्स ई आर. देन वी नो दैट द रिलेशन बिटवीन D एंड E, D इक्वल टू K एप्सिलॉन नॉट E और एप्सिलॉन E, वेयर एप्सिलॉन इज द परमिटिविटी ऑफ द मीडियम, then epsilon is written as K epsilon naught. Then K equal to epsilon upon epsilon naught, where K is the relative permittivity or dielectric constant. When a dielectric material placed in electric field, the distribution of field changes to a degree depending upon relative permittivity. And in equation 5, K equal to 1 plus xi ER, the relative permittivity of any matter is larger than unity. The value of xi ER of any matter is positive, so that K should be larger than 1, and for vacuum xi ER equal to 0 and the value of K equal to 1. For non-linear dielectrics including ferroelectrics, there is no proportionality between vectors P and E. Next topic is physical meaning of polarization dielectric. When a dielectric is placed in an external electric field, the electrically charged particles like atoms, ions, molecules with their displacement arrange in such order that dielectric acquires a certain electric moment, and this process is known as polarization. Linear dielectric, a direct proportionality between the electric moment P included moment by a particle during the process of polarization and the intensity of a electric field acting on the particle, like the local electric field inside the dielectric E local, mathematically represented as P is always proportional to E ENT or P equal to alpha ENT. The coefficient of proportionality alpha is known as the polarizability of a given dipole. Polarizability reflects the properties of an individual particle of matter and not for large volume. Then it is called microscopic electrical parameter of dielectric. In case if ENT equal to 1, then value of P is equal to alpha. Then the polarizability alpha is dipole moment per unit field strength. If there is n dipoles in unit volume of matter, then the equation first can be written as P equal to n alpha ENT, where P is the average dipole moment of n dipoles and the unit of polarizability is farad into meter square.